Hey everyone, it's Megan with the CraftyPlannerLovR here, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be decorating my Artake weekly tasks planner for the week of October 30th through November 5th. And we're going to be using an oldie but a goodie. This is from ReddHeadStickers. This is back when she had her mini kits. And this is a retired kit from her shop, but she does have similar fall kits if you're interested. But this one is called Fall Dreams. And I got this during her winter blowout sale that she did at the end of, kind of like close to the end of 2022, just to prepare for, you know, get rid of winter kits and get ready for spring and summer kits. And I couldn't help myself. I had to get this kit, and it is just so pretty. Like, look at these colors. I am so excited to use this kit. You guys have absolutely no idea how long I've been waiting to use this kit. And when I got it, obviously fall was over, so I was like, I'll just save it for next year. And I can't hold on to this kit any longer. It is a good kit, and I need to use it. So we're going to use it in my Artake Tasks Planner. If you saw last week's plan with me, then you know that that was with our pumpkin theme for our YouTube collab loop. So if you missed that, don't forget to check out the description box. I will leave it there so you can see our wonderful ladies and all of their creativity and what videos they decided to do. There's so many awesome videos. You guys have to check them out. Alrighty, so we're going to start by, I was going to add the date covers, but I think I need to figure out what washi I want to use. I do have one pulled out, and I haven't used this in a really long time. It's like this fabric-y washi, and it goes with the kit, but it doesn't. And I don't know if I want to use this. So let me see if I have any others in my stash to use instead. All right, I think I've stuck with this rose gold kind of washi because I don't think I have anything else that would work. So, all right, I'm going to have to do something that I hate to do, but I'm going to have to get out my cutter and cut this. Well, that's too short. Can't use this one. Got to use the big guns. So let's get our big cutter out, and we are going to just snip this into a few different sizes because I actually did not even measure to see how long that was going to be. Oops. Hopefully I cut these the same size. All right, I think that that is gonna be as good as we can get these strips of washi. And it's okay if they are not completely symmetrical, right? Like, that's not a big deal, I think. I hope. I do like to keep the habit tracker and the to-do list. I do like to keep those completely uncovered because I do use the to-do list for my postings on social media. But we are going to add this cute little squirrel. And I think this guy. Hold on, how do I want to do this? Do I want to do it like this? Or like this? Ooh, like this. Okay, that answered my question. I want to do it here? I'm going to do it here. No, I'm not. I'm going to do it over here. I'm going to just make a decision and go with it. Oh, look at it. It's so cute already. Probably should go ahead and add some washi. Let's start with the thin one. And I just cut these already because I wanted them to already be the correct size. Not size specifically, but like I didn't want to have to cut already like washi pieces. You know what I mean? Like I didn't want to have to cut strips. And we're going to do the same thing over here with this side. I think I'm just going to continue this one over, because I'm sure we'll need more when the time comes. Oh, that didn't cut through. Okay, and then what we can do is put the rose gold washi I'm gonna leave that one empty. We're gonna put it here. Because I think I want a box to go here. But we can go ahead and use the clean, because this will be my chores list. And actually, I could put this Monday through Sunday box, because I am, y'all are gonna laugh, I am decorating for Christmas already. I know, it's probably too early for some, but it is not too early for me or my sister. We both agreed that we wanted to start decorating for Christmas now, and that is what we are going to do. So we are going to decorate for Christmas a little earlier, and I'm actually not going to put that there. But I don't have all the time that I can, so we are going to decorate for Christmas when we are able to. And I want some sort of sticker to go there. How about we put a this week sticker, but I don't want it to be too big, so we're going to cut it down just a bit. Okay, let's see. Oh, that's a little crooked. There we go, that's a bit better. Not too bad, I think. Okay, and then we want let's see. I know. We will take these habit trackers and put those here for my pods that I'm on. I like to keep track of those, so might as well put them where I will not forget. I'm just going to move these up, and I will find a sticker to cover up that little color there. Okay, one more. Ooh, that's going to be cutting it real close. Hold on. See if we can lift these up one more time. So I have a funny story to tell you guys. After I finished last week's Plan With Me, I filmed it pretty early on. I think it was like Thursday night. No, it was Wednesday night. And I'm telling you this because I got sick. I got so sick, like stomach virus sick, that next day. And I haven't filmed anything since then. And this is my first day filming again. And it feels so nice to be back into filming and just doing what I love. I love creating videos. And I think I always have. And so like filming just makes me feel like I'm back at home. Like I'm doing something fun and like exciting. So I'm sorry if I'm really chatty. I haven't been able to talk to anyone because I've been so sick. So I am very like jittery and really excited. So like I said, apologies for the consistent chatter that you might hear this week. Like there might not be a let me add some deco and then like do my little fun little speed throughs. That might not happen this week because I am so hyper. Cutting that into strips actually worked really well. Like I like the simplicity that it gave. All right, now we're gonna add these date covers and then we will get to planning. I think I'm gonna put it right in the center because I want to. Oh, can you imagine how cute this spread is gonna be when I add all of those stickers down? Oh my gosh, y'all. Oh, because I have been, you know, sick with the stomach virus, I hadn't been able to, you know, obviously I can't go to work. So I've been working a lot recently and finally have 3 days off and I'm so excited. I'm going to do nothing but sleep and plan and it's gonna be great. I am super pumped. We are actually going to do something a little different with Saturday and Sunday. We're gonna put Saturday here, like that. I'm gonna put Sunday here because these boxes are super small already. And Saturday and Sunday are now my off days. I actually am off on the weekend now. Isn't that exciting? I think it's super awesome. I'm not going to put the weekend banner over here because that's going to take up way too much space and I actually need that space. But I decided that we are going to cover up this box here and add another one of these because I realize there's not going to be a lot of space for more boxes. So we're gonna add our own little fun box twist here. Look at that. Super cute. Super cute. And then to continue the gold on this side, I'm gonna line the bottom of the spread with it. And give it a little fun rip at the bottom. All right. I have to add this girl swinging because she is just absolutely too cute and I cannot not have her in the spread. So we're going to put her there. And then I think we're going to put this one here. And I have one more, but I think we're going to have to save those. What we can do is we can add some of these boxes. So Monday is when our every plate box comes in. So we've got to make sure that I put a box down for that. Monday is, of course, first day back from the week, you know, from the weekend. Okay, and then put this one here. And then Tuesday is payday. So we will add, let's see, what color? Thinking yellow, but we don't want to put too much. We'll do red for payday. Actually, no, we're going to use this one. Do red for payday. It's so weird feeling these stickers now because she changed her sticker paper type and it's so, like, her current sticker paper is so light and I don't know how to describe it, but her old sticker paper, there's nothing wrong with it in my opinion. I think it's perfect, but she did change it and it's so weird, like, feeling the difference between the stickers because, like, you get so used to one kind of sticker paper and then you see another kind and you're like, oh, this is so different, and it gets exciting, you know? All right, Saturday is now our grocery day. We changed grocery day to Saturday because that just works out better since we're both off on Saturdays. It just makes life so much easier. I think we're gonna do, I didn't want to do blue. Oh, here's some more. We can do, I guess we can do red for groceries. That's a big box though. I don't like that. We'll do pink because I want a smaller box for groceries. All right, so groceries are on Saturdays now. And then laundry day is gonna be Wednesday. It's gonna be Wednesday. We'll do yellow for laundry day. I just had to remember. I was like, what day is laundry day? So that's Wednesday. And then I think we are actually going to put plan. Actually, why don't we put it here so that I can use up this little tiny little box here. And then we can put a little bow next to it. Maybe. I might have missed my chance because I don't know if this is going to come up. Oh, wow, that came up very smooth. Yay me. Okay, there we go. This is so cute. I'm like really excited about how this turned out. The only thing I don't like is this here. So what we're gonna do is, unfortunately, because I'm a silly goof and I already cut it, I'm gonna have to keep it cut, but I might be able to salvage this sticker and just put it in my reusable sticker book. Look at that. Oh, it came up so nice. Ooh, that's exciting. Okay, what I can do is actually, since that came up nicely, maybe this will come up nicely too. Oh, like butter. Oh my gosh, that was perfect. Okay. There we go. We can put this week. I don't know what to do. Maybe here. So I wanted to put another box there. I'm gonna put it right here. Okay, because like I said, I wanted to add another box to make the spread just a little bit more put together. Maybe I could cut this one in half. Trying to figure out a good way to put this one here. All right, let's work with me here, box. Okay, let's see how this works. I hope it turns out like I want it to. If it doesn't, then, you know, no harm. Oh, okay. Then we can put this little piece right here. What do we think? All right, everyone, that is it for this week in my Artake planner using the Fall Dreams mini kit from ReddHeadStickers. Like I said at the beginning of the video, this kit is no longer available, unfortunately, but you can find lots of cool, amazing fall kits in her website, and I will leave it in the description box, as well as all of the different information you can find on ReddHeadStickers website as well, like her TikTok and her Facebook group and all that. If you like this video and you want to see it more from me, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't already so you don't miss when I post new videos. And if you're interested in seeing other videos that I do share, check out the description box. There are plenty of playlists from crafting to planner related content and different vlogs that you can check out. So if you want to see more of what I post, definitely check out that description box. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspired you. And until next time, craft on. Bye, guys!